Welcome to Kids Coding Show. My name is Danby.
My name is Song. Do you know what, Dambi? This is our third episode.
Amazing! I can't wait for the next.
We will continue to create helpful tutorial, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Dad, do we continue browser's objects today?
You are right, browser object today. Are you ready?
Let's dive in, Dad. Cool.
In the last lesson, we learned that browsers contain objects. We call this browser object model.
In short, BOM.
We learned that window object is the main object of a browser, and we learned three objects which belong to window object: screen, history, and navigator.
They are the properties of window object, so we could access them using dot notation, like window.screen, window.history, window.navigator.
You're right, and screen, history, navigator are also objects by themselves, so we could also directly access their own properties, like window.screen.width, because width is the property of a screen object.
And we checked if a browser accepts cookies using dot notation, like window.navigator.cookieEnabled. This is because cookieEnabled is the property of navigator object.
Let's learn a few more browser object and properties today. First, window object has open and close properties.
Sounds like that we could use them to control a browser.
Exactly, we can test window.object parentheses.
Window.open parentheses and enter. It opens a new window tab. I could close it with window.close parentheses.
Very good. This time, try putting a website address inside parentheses, like window.open parentheses. Inside the parentheses, put http://google.com.
It opens a Google page in a new window tab. Cool.
Let's try alert pop-up this time. Type in window.alert parentheses. Inside parentheses, you can write "You are awesome."
A message pops up. You are awesome.
We use alert to send a message to users. Let's try this time. Window.confirm parentheses. You can put inside parentheses, "Do you like a coding?"
A message pops up. It asks the question and provide with OK or cancel buttons.
Try clicking OK. It returns true. If you click cancel, it will return false.
Wow! Window.confirm will be useful to ask something to a user.
Exactly. Depending on their answer, you can make a program to act differently.
So, when I click OK button, the browser receives true message. When I click cancel button, the browser receives false message, right?
Exactly. Let's move on. Type in set timeout parentheses. You can put function parentheses curly brace alert parentheses you are awesome and comma 3000.
It pops up an alert message, but this time it takes a few seconds.
Set timeout is setting a timer. This set timeout includes two parameters, a function and a number. No worry about the new terminology, parameters, and function. We'll learn about them later. Now let's focus on the number. We use 3000 milliseconds, which is equal to 3 seconds. We define a function which includes alert property of window object.
So it simply commands a browser to run alert after 3 seconds.
Excellent, Dambi.
I may use set timeout to make a quiz application. After starting quiz, the app would alert a timeout. For example, popping up a message, test will be done in 5 minutes. Be ready, or something like that.
There is another timer. It is very useful when you trigger a certain action repeatedly. Try type in set interval, parenthesis, function, parenthesis, curly brace, console.log, parenthesis, hello, keys, and comma 3000, and enter.
It prints Hello Kids inside the console. It continues printing it every 3 seconds. Wow, how can I stop printing?
You can either refresh the browser or use another window property, clear interval, parenthesis. You will get timer ID value when you run set interval.
I may use set interval to execute a repeated job, and to stop the set interval, use clear interval with timer ID like this.
Finally, there is a very helpful window property, window.location.
Window.location and enter. It prints some location stuff.
Location property shows the current web page address information.
When I click the arrow, it shows the properties of location object. I see href, protocol, hostname, pathname.
They present different parts of a web address. In many cases, a web developer uses those properties to navigate a page.
Nice! I may use location property to find which web page I'm currently in, or which page I am moving to next.
One example, let's type in window.location.href and enter.
It prints my current address, so I know where I am.
Now you can try this. Window.location.href equal sign, and you can put web address. For our example, http://amazon.com. Basically, this means that you move to the new web page.
It changes to a new page, Amazon.
Okay, now I will give a challenging activity.
Now you're testing me?
Sort of. Don't be in pressure, just enjoy. Try implementing a browser behavior like this. First, open a new window after 3 seconds and visit a web page in the new window.
I think I could do that. Guys, pause this video and try it by yourself. I think we could do that. And comment down below if you've done this thing.
Okay, that's it. For the last tutorial, we have learned browser object. Now I hope you understand how web developer control browser.
Thanks, Dad. This is really useful. Next time, are we going to learn how to make a web page?
You're right. We will learn HTML next tutorials. This will teach you how to create your own web pages. Sounds interesting?
Super cool. See you guys next time.
Next time!
Ah! Daddy, help me!
Bye, Dambi!